Oh, that was my foot. I recorded my foot. Whoa. The electrical storm's been going on. Whoa. Been going on
it for 20 minutes.
At
That's just
least.
when I noticed it.
Yeah.
Because there was the bolt stuff in the main storm, then it stopped for like a half hour, then this started. I didn't notice it for a while.
I'm getting some really good shots. I gotta upload this as soon as we get back inside. Oh.
It's so nice inside right now.
I know.
I guess that it's not all cloud to cloud though. I'll keep hearing fire engines. Somewhere we're not seeing it's hitting the ground and starting some shit.
You think so?
Yeah, well, that's the second fire engine I've heard in the past 20 minutes. It can't be a coincidence.
There are some that look like they're going down. But they're so far away.
We lost the cable for a few minutes. It's back now, but it must have taken something out.
You can see that the storm shifted. It's moved.
Yeah,
It's moved this way. Oh, did you see that one? I wish we had roof access. We were above the Devereaux.
Yeah, we're missing stuff right behind that little pillar right there.
It's just not stopping. I don't think this is gonna stop till it moves. Oh, that was a good one.
Multiple bullets.
I know, and I captured it. I captured it. That one is pretty. That crawled.
Let's not get this in Seattle.
Ooh, that was a pretty one. The most active storm so far this year. Faux show. Huh, Jason?
Oh, I get to be in the video now too?
You're gonna be on Facebook.
I don't go on Facebook.
The beginning of it's my foot.
Everything begins with
Exactly. It's a foot thing, huh, Tisu? Ooh, that one was pretty. Oh, yeah. I got that. Oh! We're seeing a different angle now of the storm, too. A lot more bolts. Woo! Oh, whoa, did you see that one? It went like... That was crazy. It's getting bright over there. Ooh, that was pretty. Ah! It's lighting up the whole sky. Oh, wow.